And moving on, have you ever wanted to fly in a drone? Well, it may be possible in the near future, thanks to Israel's National Drone Initiative, now entering its second phase. All the details in the following report. A new pilot project by the Israel Innovation Authority, together with Ayalon Highways, the Ministry of Transportation, and the Civil Aviation Authority, will test the capabilities of drones to carry large cargo and even passengers across Israel's skies. The pilot will invest 60 million shekels in 10 Israeli drone companies, which will participate in 1 week of flights nationwide every month for the next 2 years, completing 24 trials in total. The demonstrations will take place under managed airspace. Among the companies selected to participate include Airways Drones, which operates an AI-based system for smart management of airspace and drone fleets, Kando Drones, a drone airline, and Air Taxi Israel, an advanced air mobility company. The pilot project aims to expand experiments with long-range aircraft carrying heavy loads. The goal is that in the future it will be possible to fly passengers from place to place and improve the congestion situation in Israel by using drones. It is a direct continuation of the first national drone initiative carried out in 2020 to 2022, which saw over 15,000 drone flights carried out in various locations across Israel, experimenting with flights to meet commercial and public needs. The initiative is also part of a collaboration with the World Economic Forum and received extensive international exposure to global regulators, industry, and media, establishing Israel as a global leader in developing this rapidly expanding ecosystem.